I want to share with you a little thought experiment because a lot of us live in these two categories: abundance and scarcity. So, someone who lives in abundance always knows that there's more pie to have, right? So, think of your apple pie and we're slicing it up. And the beauty of living in abundance is I can make more pie. Hell, I can plant apple trees. That's abundance. Scarcity is, oh, wait a second here. Miss Suzanne only cooked one apple pie. If I am to share my apple pie with you, that would be less apple pie than I'm going to have. That's scarcity. Because the belief that everything is finite, there is only one pie. And because there's only one pie, there's only so much to share. And I'm going to hold it to me because I want my pie. Because Miss Suzanne makes a really, really good apple pie, I'm telling you. You throw some bluebell ice cream, but I digress. The reality is, I can go to the store, buy me some more apples, peel them up nice and neat, slice them up, make sure Miss Suzanne has all the ingredients, and she can make me another pie. That's what living with abundance is like, is realizing that things are not finite. There is not an end state. It's continuous. There's always more. That's what abundance gives you. You believe and know, not just believe, but you know that there is more. I know there are more apples on the tree. I know that if I really get down to it and I really have the problem and I can't go to the Walmart to get apples, guess what I can do? I can plant a tree. I can plant an apple tree and get more apples. And then Miss Suzanne can make me another apple pie. That's abundance. When we live in abundance, we know there's always more for us to have, more wins, more successes, more to life. It's abundance, and we can share it with more people. So the next time you look over and say, hey, that guy's taking my client. That's scarcity, my friend, because you think there's only one client out there. There's more. Live in abundance and enjoy life more because when you live in abundance, there's always more to have.